Hello, everybody. I'm your host, Eric Bird, here at StopStrugglingNow.com. And today we're going to talk about credit and making sure you keep your credit properly vested. That's right, properly. Because there's one way you can do it. Yes, there's other ways, other programs like Credit Karma that you can check a credit bureau or two, but in this case, we're going to deal with smart credit. I've talked about this before. You log in, they actually have your credit scores from different areas, not only for your job, not only for your personal credit, not only for your car loans, but look here on the screen. And welcome. Stop struggling now, gear. Check. And please like, subscribe, and click the bell below so you get the latest updates. Now, let's get to it. All right, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, and please share the video. You don't know who you can help. There's a lot of people out here now due to layoffs, due to just the nature of a recession where credit is going to be impacted. So therefore, you have to stay on top of it, and you need tools that can help you stay on top of it, because Smart Credit has tools within their program and insurance coverage in case you do get your identity hacked. So let's get into it. I'm going to actually show you a 2-minute video about Smart Credit, and then we're going to go into the back office as well. So check this out here, ladies and gentlemen.
Smart Credit is a fast, simple solution to a better credit score, more online privacy, and greater control of your money. Did you know the average person can add 97 points to their credit score but aren't aware of it? They don't even know how to get these points. Our average member adds 61 points in just 20 days using Smart Credit. That could save you $10,000 in interest on a car loan and over $100,000 in the life of the average mortgage loan. And Smart Credit is the only credit management system that gives you a spending and payment plan to help you add more points to your credit score. And if you already have a good credit score, this feature shows you how spending could affect your score and how to prevent losing these hard-earned points. Plus, we don't just show your credit score and provide alerts, we're the only ones to give you a personalized plan with action buttons to add points. Our patented action buttons allow you to communicate directly with your creditors and even your financial institutions to dispute errors, ID fraud, and more. No more mailing letters and no more long hold times. We also help protect you and your loved ones. Our $1 million whole family fraud and scam insurance covers your entire family in your household at a much lower cost than the competition. And by the way, have you Googled your name lately? You may be shocked by how many websites expose and sell your private information. Use Privacy Master to easily request the removal of your information to stop these sites from selling it permanently, all with the push of a button. Another way we beat the competition? Our Money Manager feature finds your bank accounts so you can link them without searching. We also have instant statements and action buttons to ask questions, fix problems, and reverse unrecognized credit card charges directly with your financial institutions. Smart Credit. It only takes 1 minute to enroll. Get started today.
Okay, that gives you a preview of Smart Credit, but now we're going to go back into the back office because it does cost for you to sign up, but it's going to be worth it, especially when you think about, hey, how much do I have to pay to make my credit score go up? When that's the question, Smart Credit can help you because they have it in real time. If you pay X amount on a credit card, then it'll say your score can go up 10 points or 12 points or therefore or more. So anyhow, what I want to get at is, here we go. We're on the Smart Credit website. Down below in the description, below the video, there will be a link so you can come and sign up for Smart Credit if you like what they're doing here. Now, look at this. Great for any type of credit because they have a score tracker, score builder, score boost. I'm going to show you all of that when we get into the back office area. So don't worry about that. Different scores is the key point here. You have different scores for hiring, different score for insurance, different score for your credit score and auto score, and they have them all in the back office so you'll understand how that works. Score builder, your personal plan, you can take action. So therefore, you can send messages also into your creditor if there's some sort of discrepancy. They have letters already built in this platform, and here's Score Boost. So why don't we get into it so you can see what it looks like. I'm in a dummy account, and this is what you would see if you were part of Smart Credit. Score tracker. This is a score here that says 639. That's what this is based on. And this is what we're talking about. You see the credit score, the automobile credit score, the insurance credit score, because some of you may not know your insurance company gives you rates based on your credit score. And also some of you may not realize that you may not get hired because of your credit score, which is sad to say, but that's what's going on in our society these days. Now, it's just that simple where you can actually look and see how to improve your credit score. And that's a help under any circumstance, I would say. Now, let's get into more of this because they have this score builder, and this is very, very important because again, one of the features is they have all of your credit information and they're helping you to build your credit score in real time. Credit score, goal score. And again, I'm going to go through this. This is what you would have in your back office. Let's review your current score. It says 639. Then it says how your credit score is used, gives you a little education so you understand what's going on, what's helping your credit score so you can understand that. Here, I'll pull this down. Again, gives you a little history. So if you don't know, you want to be under 30% debt utilization, meaning this is their balance of 112 is well below 30%. 30% would be over $1,200. So this is a good thing. You're well under that. So this is actually helping your credit score. All of these you can open up and find out because all of these are helping, of course. All right. Now, we'll keep going. And I won't get too much into the weeds here. And now, what's hurting your credit score? A lot of people don't understand what hurts your credit score. Here goes a mortgage in this case, $350,000. They're saying it looks like 30 days late a couple of times. And again, this is very, very valuable to you because now you'll know if you can get these corrected or maybe improve, then of course it helps your credit score. Action history, and here is correct the credit reporting inaccuracy, and they have letters that you can send in that they already have manufactured, and that's why they say let's take action here. So again, Citibank, fix error, goodwill correction, pay off debt, ID theft, and again, how valuable can this be? All you have to do is click on fix error, for instance, and here comes a reason. I was never late. This is a closed account. I paid this account in full. The list goes on and on. They'll auto-populate for you, and now you can send it to them by hitting the next. See how simple this is? This is invaluable as far as I'm concerned. I will also go to something that's even more invaluable. This 1 million identity fraud insurance, as long as you have smart credit, and if anybody in your family in the same address, that has the same address and lives in the same household, all of you qualify. So anybody in the same household who has identity fraud, you can use this coverage up to $1 million. Is this awesome or what? Again, if you want to get this, the link is down below. Generally, if you use the link, you will get a small discount off of the price. So that's a good thing as well by being here in the SSN Nation. So there's not much more to this other than I'm going to go here to Score Boost because we went to Score Tracker. I'll get into the Score Boost part. Future score 683. Now they have where you have these offers similar to what Credit Karma does. You have the same thing here. You can go and find your offers in the back office with these guys. Future offers are here, and you need 44 more points. Notify me. And now view current offers. Very simple. Mylona TM. Score. Quickly add up to 78 points is your future offer. You have an idea on what you will need, and here's some offers right here. See? So again, this gives you opportunities that you may not know about. And if you want them to notify you, then let them notify you. Same as Credit Karma, similar type of programming. So that's it, ladies and gentlemen. I just want to make this short and sweet. If you want to improve your credit score, I'll have links down below for these other companies, National Credit Direct, where you'll qualify for that. But again, you might be paying more than what these items are worth. But if you need to build your credit, then National Credit Direct can help you and get another line of credit. But again, you're going to pay more than what the normal going rate is for these whether it's appliances, whether it's headphones, whatever the product is. Just keep that in mind. And then, of course, I have to talk about Self-Lender. This is where you're actually just putting in money. It goes into a savings. It's an installment credit line. And when you make payments, there's a little savings. But Self-Lender I love because it's a little different. Once you build up $200 or $300 in savings in your account, not only are they reporting the installment trade line, now all of a sudden you can say, give me a credit card, a secured credit card that'll report to all 3 credit bureaus as well, but it'll be a revolving trade line. So for the same money that you're putting in, you can get 2 credit lines. And it's that simple. Apply for a loan that is held by our bank partners, pay off the loan in 12 to 24 months, get money back, they charge a little fee, and that's it. And again, you can do the installment by itself, this little loan, 1, 2, 3, but then you can say, give me a secured card from that money that's in the account. And now you have 2 credit cards or 1 credit card and 1 installment trade line for the price of 1, the same amount of money that you have in your account. So that's pretty awesome. Then we have, some people have heard of Credit Strong. They work similarly. You're putting money into an account, and then eventually they're supposed to have the same type of revolving secured credit card as well. But so far, I haven't heard anything new about them doing it. And so this is just an installment trade line. This is helping to establish, reestablish, or start credit. And it's an installment trade line, so it does not affect your revolving portion of your credit score or credit utilization. So that's it, ladies and gentlemen. I want to thank you so much for being here. Thank you for watching. And please like, subscribe, and click the bell below so you get the latest updates. And I know it's hard out here, and this is why we have to stay balanced. We still have to make money, still have to make sure you have the monies coming in. Then you have to make sure your credit score is up to par in case you're going to need it and use it. And there's even more than that. But for this video, that's all we're going to talk about. And please come back to our future videos and our live streams Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And I appreciate you being here. And with all that said, keep your head up, keep moving, and I'm out.